Dear students, good morning. Today I want to teach the problems, objective problems related with the JEE mains. Number one problem. Already we discussed about the synopsis, 20 formulas, 20 methods, shortcut methods, formulas, everything is solved in the previous two videos. By using that formulas, now we go to start the problems. Observe. The first problem. The value of 6 of sine power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 9 of sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta plus 4 is equal to dash. We have to find the value of this expression. You see, in order to find the value of this expression, it is a theory. By using the traditional method, it is very long, takes much time. But while we are solving the problems in the JEE exams, we are given very little time. In that time, in 1 minute, we have to solve all these problems. You see, the solution is observe. RE means the required expression. You see, in order to find that value of the expression, by 20 method, put theta is equal to some 0 degrees. You see, in a trigonometry, each problem, formula or a theory or anything, any expression, it is a standard, it is an identity for all values of theta, that angle, not only theta, if it is given in alpha, right, beta or a or something. For all the values of that given angle theta, it gives the same value. So, using that concept, I take theta is equal to 0 degrees. You may get some doubt. What is the necessary to take only 0? Yeah, we may take 90 degrees or 45 degrees or 30 degrees, 60 degrees, whatever it may, you take 1000 degrees, but it is difficult than the traditional method. So easy to solve it, to make lesser steps to solve it. We use theta is equal to 0 degrees. Then it is that required equation. It is 6 of sine power 6 0 cos power 6 0 minus 9 into sine power 4 0 cos power 4 0 plus 4. It is 6 of sine power 0, sine 0 power 6 is 0 only. Cos 0 is 1, 1 power 6 is 1 only. 9 of same, sine 0, 0, 0 power 4 is 0, plus cos 0 is 1, 1 power 4 is 1, plus 4. So it is 6 into 1, 6 minus 9 into 1, 9 plus 4. So we get 1 solves. Okay na? So option is 3. Okay na? Is it clear? Okay na? This is a substitution method called as a 20 method. Okay na? The next problem, second one. If sin theta plus cosecant theta is equal to 2, then what is the value of sin power 10 theta plus cosecant power 10 theta? Options are given. You see here also, by using some not traditional method, using some 20 method. You see, we are given equation. GE means given equation is sin theta plus cosecant theta is equal to 2 na? Yeah. It is a given equation and we will find the required equation. Equation or expression. In the given equation you see sin theta plus cosecant theta is equal to 2. For what value of theta? This is 2. Just we think. You see, if theta is equal to, say, observe me, theta is equal to 90 degrees, it is sin 90 is 1, cosecant 90 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So, given equation is satisfied by this theta is equal to 90 degrees. So, it is standard. In this problem, theta is equal to 90 degrees is correct. It is suitable. Now, we use in the required expression, that is sin power 10 theta, cosecant power 10 theta is there. It is sin power 10 90 degrees, cosecant power 10 90 degrees. It is 1 power 10, 1 power 10. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay now? You see once again. This given equation is satisfied by the substitution theta is equal to 90 degrees. So here theta is equal to 90 degrees. Yes, it is correct. So this value of theta is substituted in the required equation expression. We get the value 2. Okay now. So first option is correct. You see, 1 minute. Here sin power not only 10, sin power n plus cosecant power n, also same value 2 will come. Okay now? And one more thing, here only I want to tell, it is related with the second problem only. Observe me. Suppose given equation is cos theta plus secant theta is equal to 2, then cos power n theta plus secant power n theta. The problem also given like this also. It may ask like this also. You see, in the solution, if theta is equal to 0 degrees, in this case, the given expression will be satisfied. You agree? Okay now? You see now? Theta is equal to 0 degrees. Cos 0 is 1 plus secant 0 is equal to 1. So we get a 2. Not in the sin and cosecant, theta is 9. Whereas cos and secant, theta is equal to 0 degrees only, it satisfies this equation. Therefore, the given, the required equation can be written as cos power n 0 plus secant power n 0. It is 1 plus 1. It is 2. Okay now? If sin and cosecant, it is 90 theta. Cos and secant, it is 0 degrees theta. Similarly, if tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2, then tan power 100 theta plus cot power 100 theta value. Okay now? Here also observe me, for the what value of theta this given equation will be satisfied. You see, theta is equal to 45 degrees. Will you agree? Tan 45 is 1, cot 45 is 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So, this required equation, you see, tan power 145 degrees plus cot power 145 degrees. Will you agree? Tan 45 1. 1 power 100 is 1. Here also cot 45 1. 1 power 100 is 1. So here also it is a 2 answer. Okay now? These two problems are related with the second problem. Okay now? Is it clear? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Next, we go to third problem. You see, it is just like a second problem. There may be some confusion also. Tan A plus cot A is equal to 4. Given is Your equation is tan A plus cot A is equal to 4. Then the value of this one. It is just like in the second problem. We may feel that A is equal to 45 degrees. Then 1 plus 1 will come. Tan 45 plus cot 45. 1 plus 1, 2. But it is not be satisfied. So that substitution is wrong. So, in order to get the value of this given expression, required expression, a small method is there. This is given equation. We are squaring on both sides. So it is tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 tan A cot A is equal to 16. You see, A plus B also, A square plus B square plus 2AB. Here 4 square is equal to 16. This is observing, it is tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 into 1 is equal to 16. You agree? Tan into cot is 1. They are reciprocal to each other. So it is tan square A plus cot square A is equal to 14. Means 16 minus 2, 14. Again squaring on both sides. Again we squaring on both sides. Now, because the required expression is like that. So it is tan power 4A plus cot power 4A plus 2 tan square A cot square A is equal to 196. Will agree? You see, A plus B, here A plus B, A is itself tan square A. A square means tan square whole square, tan power 4, cot square whole square, cot power 4 plus 2. AB, 2 tan square A, cot square A is equal to 14 square is 196. But we need only tan power 4A plus cot power 4A plus 2 is equal to 196. Okay, now? Yes. I'll come to this side. It is tan power 4A plus cot power 4A is equal to 196 minus 2 is equal to 194. So its value is 194. The value of the required expression is the fourth option. Okay, na? Is it clear? Okay, na? Yeah. Yeah. Next, fourth problem. You see, the value of cos 9 degrees plus sin 9 degrees by cos 9 minus sin 9. In order to find the value of this expression, we don't know the value of cos 9, sin 9, not possible. We have in the value table only 0, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, and sometimes 15 degrees, 18 degrees only. But we don't know cos 9 or sin 9. But we have to find it. You see, it is a solution cos 9 plus sin 9 by cos 9 minus sin 9. This is RE means required expression. I am taking cos 9 as common. 1 plus tan 9 by. Here also cos 9 is taken as common. 1 minus tan 9. You may get some doubt. Common means here is cos 9 is not common actually, because in this term cos is not there. That means we are writing this one as cos 9 plus cos 9 into sin 9 by cos 9 like that. In denominator also same. Cos 9 gets cancelled, same, we get the same. Why? Because in order to have cos 9 in numerator, I write in denominator also. Then this sin 9 by cos 9 will change it as a tan 9. Now is it okay now? The same thing in the denominator also. Here cos 9 cancels, we get 1 plus tan 9. That 1 can be written as tan 45 plus that tan 9 and 1. This one is as it is 1. 1 into tan 45 into tan 9. You agree? Here 1 tan 9 is there. Tan 9 means 1 is there. 1 multiple. For that 1 tan 45 is written. So it is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. It is tan of A plus B. Okay now? It is tan 54 degrees. Okay now? So this is correct answer. So option is first option. Okay now? Yeah. Yeah. Fifth problem. Observe. Fifth is theta and phi. 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 Theta and phi both are belonging to the Q1. That means below 90 degrees. It is in the first quadrant. And tan theta is equal to 1 by 7. Sin phi is 1 by root 10. Then we are asked, question is not there. You see the beauty of this problem. The only data is given and the question is not there. Without the question, we have to verify in the option. At that time, we have to see the option. You see, question and answer both are given. Is it okay now? It is a beautiful problem. A method, you see, observe this problem. Only data given in the equation, in the problem. And question is not there. Question and answer is given in the 4 options, which is correct. You see one more thing, if you observe the options, all are theta plus 2 phi, theta plus 2 phi, theta plus 2 phi only, not theta plus phi. So it is needed to find 2 phi first. Observe. So in the solution you see, sin phi is equal to 1 by root 10 now. Okay now? That means the triangle, it is phi. Opposite side 1, hypotenuse is root 10. Then is root of root 10 square is 10 minus 1 square is 1. It is root 9 means it is 3 now. So the adjacent side is 3. Opposite side is 1. Hypotenuse is root 10. Now we need to find sin 2 phi. Why? Because I will tell you. It is 2 sin phi cos phi now. Will agree? It is 2 into. What is sin phi? Phi means sin phi is already given 1 by root 10. Cos phi is 3 by root 10. Will agree? Sin phi already is given 1 by root 10. Cos phi in this triangle 3 by adjacent side 3 by hypotenuse root 10. So it is 2 into 3 by 10. Okay na? Root 10 into root 10, root 10 square is 10. It is nothing but 3 by 5. Okay na? You see, therefore, what about tan 2 phi? Tan 2 phi. Here is the opposite side. Observe. Opposite side 3 by hypotenuse. Don't confuse with this one. 3 by 5. Here tan phi is it is 3 by 4. 3 by 5 is related with the sine. Opposite side hypotenuse. 3, 4, 5 are Pythagoras numbers. So very easily we can calculate this one. So this is tan 2 phi. Okay na? This value is needed. You go like this or otherwise I will tell here only. tan 2 phi. Tan 2 phi. A formula is there. Okay, na? Through that one also we can find, but not needed. Don't confuse. I will go this way. You go this way only. So tan 2 phi is 3 by 4. Now consider. You see, consider all the LHS in the options. Theta plus 2 phi. Theta plus 2 phi. So I consider tan of theta plus 2 phi. It is tan of A plus B now. You see, it is tan theta plus tan of 2 phi by 1 minus tan theta. It is tan 2 phi. Okay na? Okay na? Tan of A plus B, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A, tan B. I will tell you. I will come to this side. You see, it is tan theta is 1 by 7. Tan 2 phi is already this value is 3 by 4. By 1 minus tan theta is 1 by 7, 3 by 4. This is making LCM. It is 4 plus 21 by 4. Okay, now 4 into 1, 4. 7 3 is 21 by. This is 28. 7 4. Again, here 1 into 3, 3 by 28 is there. 28 into 1 is 28 minus 3 into 1 is 3 by 28. 28, 28 cancels. You say 21 plus 4 is 25. 28 minus 3 is 25. It is 1. Okay, now. So 1 means it is tan 45 degrees. What we consider? We consider is tan of theta plus 2 phi. And at last we get, for that consideration, we get tan 45. Okay, now? Don't confuse. So tan remove 2 plus, theta plus 2 phi is equal to 45 degrees. Okay, na? So this is the answer. Okay, na? Is it clear? Observe me. This is the sixth problem. Where given you see cos theta, cos 2 theta plus cos 3 theta is equal to cos alpha. And sin theta plus sin 2 theta plus sin 3 theta is equal to sin alpha. The theta is given in terms of alpha. Okay, now observe. You see, in order to solve, here 2 data is given, but we are asked only to find theta in terms of tan. Okay, now you see, here we have to use the 2D method. Why? Because there are 2 given equations. Data is 2, theta and alpha. Theta and alpha, 2 variables. But we are asked simply theta is ruled. For this one, we apply the 2D method. For what value of theta and alpha, these 2 equations will be satisfied. You see, for theta is equal to, just to assume, 1 by 2. And alpha is equal to pi. Is it okay? Yeah, sorry. Theta is equal to pi by 2 means first equation, cos 90, 0. Cos 2 into 90, cos 180 is minus 1. Here is minus 1, just observe me. Here it is cos 0 is 0, cos pi by 2 is 0, whereas cos 2 into pi by 2 is cos 180 is minus 1, and cos 3 pi by 2, 270 is also 0. You know it? Cos pi by 2 is 0, cos 3 pi by 2 is 0, cos 5 pi by 2 is 0, cos 2n plus 1. Cos 2n plus 1 pi by 2. The coefficient of pi by 2 is odd number. Then it gives the 0. So here also 0. Okay na? So here cos alpha is pi. I am taking cos alpha. Cos pi is minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Yes, correct. Also you substitute here. Sin pi by 2, 1. Sin 2 into pi by 2. Sin pi is 0. Sin 1 pi is 0. Sin 2 pi is 0. Sin 3 pi is 0. Sin n pi is 0 always. So it is 0. Whereas here is 1. 3 pi by 2. 270 also. Sin 270 also 1. Minus 1. Here it is 1. It is 0 and it is minus 1. Sin alpha, sin pi is 0. So 1 cancel, 0 is equal to 0. In the cos minus 1 is equal to minus 1. In the sin 0 is equal to 0, 0. So it is satisfied for this substitution. So the selection of theta and alpha is important. Just to have to think over it. Okay. So here you see theta is equal to pi by 2, alpha is equal to pi. By using these two, what is the relation? Theta is equal to 2 alpha. Will you agree? Okay na? Theta is equal to, alpha by 2. Okay na? Theta is equal to alpha by 2. Because alpha is pi na. So pi by 2. Will you agree? So this is first option. Okay na? Yeah. Seventh problem. Observe. If cos x plus cos y plus cos alpha is equal to 0, sin x plus sin y plus sin alpha is equal to 0. These are given data. And we find the value of cot of x plus y by 2 is equal to dash. And options are given. Observe. The solution. Cos x plus cos y is equal to minus cos alpha na. Sin x plus sin y is equal to minus sin alpha na. Okay na? You see, we take these two equations. These two equations is given only. Just we send cos alpha and sin alpha to that side. Now it is 1 by 2. I am taking, when considering equation 1 is divided by equation 2. That is cos x plus cos y by, it is sin x plus sin. It is minus cos alpha by minus sin alpha. Yeah, observe. You see, cos x plus cos y means in the transformations, the last chapter, cos c plus cos d, formula is there. It is 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Okay na? And observe, sin c plus sin d, it is 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2 is equal to minus minus plus cos by sin is cot. Here 2 cancels, cos x minus y by 2, cos x minus y by 2, same cancels. We get cos by sin. Here it is same angle, x plus y by 2, x plus y by 2. Say for example cos A by sin A. So we get, I'll come to this side. You see that is cot of x plus y by 2. Will you agree? Cos by sin is cot of x plus y by 2 is equal to, it is cot. Okay na? So its answer is third option. Okay, na? Is it clear? Here we are not applying the 2D method. Here not necessary. Just we apply the transformations form. Okay, na? Is it clear? Yeah. Next, eighth one. Sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to 1 by 2. Cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to 3 by 2. Here also two equations are given, two data. And we are asking something. Cos alpha minus beta is equal to dash. We may confuse with the previous problem. There we used this is equation 1 and equation 2, 1 by 2 like that. If you do like that, just I will teach it wrongly first, because we may confuse with the previous problem. It is say it is some 1 and it is 2. You see, 1 by 2 means it is only sin c plus sin d, it is 2 sin cos. By cos c plus cos d, 2 cos cos. It is 1 by 2 by 3 by 2. 2 cancel, c cancel. It is a sin by cos means tan of. The first term is related with alpha plus beta by 2. So don't confuse. Alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to 2 cancel, we get 1 by 2. But here this result will be obtained only up to this result is correct. But we are not asked tan of alpha plus beta by 2. Different we are asked cos of alpha minus beta. So don't confuse and don't do like this method. Is a different method we have to apply. You see, it is 1 square plus 2 square. I am considering like this only. 1 square plus 2 square means it is sin square alpha plus sin square beta. 2 sin alpha sin beta plus cos square alpha plus cos square beta. That means second equation square. It is 2 cos alpha cos beta. The answer is 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. 3 by 2 square is 9 by 4. It is 10 by 4. 5 by 2 na? Yeah, okay. Here sin square plus cos square is equal to 1 na? Sin square beta plus cos square beta is equal to 1 na? It is 2. Take as common 2 cos alpha. Cos beta minus sin alpha. Sin beta is equal to 5 by 2. Okay na? 2 plus 2. Cos A cos B plus. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is cos of A minus B. Here alpha and beta is given. So cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. It is compound angle formula is there. Cos of A minus B, cos of alpha minus beta is equal to 5 by 2. So 2 cos of alpha minus beta is equal to 5 by 2 minus 2. This 5 minus 4 by 2 is 1 by 2. All agree? So it is cos of alpha minus beta is already 1 by 2 is there. By 2 again. It is by 4. So answer is this one. Cos of alpha minus beta is 1 by 4. Okay na? So option is third option. Okay? Yeah. This is the ninth problem. Observe me. We are given cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 a plus 1 by a. That means a plus 1 by a is equal to 2 cos theta. This is actually data. You see, if you square on both sides, it is a square plus 1 by a square, 2 into a into 1 by a na. Squaring on both sides. It is 4 cos square theta na. Okay. You see, here it is a square plus a square is equal to 4 cos square theta minus this 2 goes the side. So if you take 2 only as common, we will get 2 cos square theta minus 1. So here observe. Here a square plus 1 by a square is equal to, it is 2 into 2 cos square theta minus 1. A formula is there in the multiple submultiples. Cos 2 theta value. It is cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus 4. 1 plus tan square theta. There are 4 formulas are there. But here it is. We are taking this one only. 2 cos 2 theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1. You see, we are given a plus, here rotate it. A plus 1 by a is there, 2 cos theta. That means a power 1 is there, we get 2 is common, cos is common, 1 theta. A square plus 1 by a square is this, 2 cos 2 theta. Suppose similarly we can making a cubes on both sides, we get a cube plus 1 by a cube is 2 is same as 2. Cos is same, no change at all. But it is 3 theta. Suppose a power n, 1 by a power n is 2 as it is, cos as it is, and it is n theta. Okay, na? This is actually a 20 formula. But we are asked the answer is a cube plus 1 by a cube. Okay, na? And this 2 goes to this side. It is cos 3 theta. We are asked the value of cos 3 theta. So 1 by 2, a cube plus 1 by a cube. So third option is correct. Okay, na? The last problem. Observe, help 1. We are given a tan theta is equal to b. And we are asked to find the value of this expression. There are 2 methods are there. Not using the 20 method. Of course, 20 method we may use, but it takes some time. But a standard method is there. You follow this one like that. You see, we are given a tan theta is equal to b now. So tan theta is equal to just wait. A sin theta by cos theta is equal to b now. It is a sin theta is equal to b cos theta now. So from the given data we come to this result. A sin theta is equal to b cos theta. By using this result, we have to find the value of this one. Here, a logical thinking is there. Here b cos theta, but here b sin 2 theta is there. By which term, if you multiply this b cos theta, we get b sin 2 theta. Very simple. It is b into 2 sin theta cos theta. That means we are multiplying with 2 sin theta. So here also we have to multiply. It is 2 sin theta into sin theta. Okay, na? Why we are multiplying with 2 sin theta means in order to get this term, 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. B sin 2 theta we will get. Okay, na? It is b sin 2 theta. Okay, na? Here it is it is 2 sin square theta. Okay, na? Don't confuse. Why you are multiplying with the 2 sin theta means in the required expression b sin 2 theta is there. To get this one, only you assume this one sin 2 theta. So we are going to 2 sin theta, already cos theta, sin 2 theta. Here also sin 2 theta, sin theta is there, 2 sin theta and sin theta is there, 2 sin square theta. How come this way? You see, this is a 2 sin square theta. I have one formula. Cos 2 theta means it is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Just in the previous problem I told this formula. There we use 2 cos square theta minus 1. But here 1 minus 2 sin square theta. This 2 sin square theta goes to that side. It is 1 minus cos 2 theta. So it is a of 1 minus cos 2 theta. And in RHS it is b sin 2 theta. So here it was a minus a cos 2 theta. It is b sin 2 theta. So it is a cos 2 theta plus b sin 2 theta. Goes to that side. Minus becomes as a plus b sin 2 theta. Here it is a only. Okay na? A only. Okay na? Is it clear? b sin 2 theta plus a cos 2 theta is equal to a only. So its answer is a. That is the first option. Okay na? Is it clear?